Jumping into the investing world can be incredibly daunting at first, especially if you have very little idea as to what you're doing. It can take years to really feel comfortable in the financial markets. And one of the most important things for finding your own personal comfort level is the correct device to trade on. Laptops are not made equally, after all, and there are some incredible features out there that can do wonders for anybody who trades financial assets. As such, here are the 6 best laptops for trading Forex, stocks, and crypto. Number 6, Asus VivoBook 2022 edition. The Asus VivoBook is a very robust, industrial-looking machine, which admittedly isn't for everyone. But the power that it packs is enough to make it worth it in anyone's eye, considering it can run most programs just as efficiently as a full-size desktop. It has an anti-glare screen, which makes it ideal for anyone who likes to trade on the go, and offers an absolutely whopping 9.5 hours of battery life. It'll ensure that you'll be able to trade anytime you need to throughout the working day. It's powered by a 10th generation Intel processor, 20 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD, so you've got plenty of space for your own personal documents. Number 5, new NV17T. The HP NV17T is an excellent laptop for those who might not trade as much on the go and would rather settle in one spot in order to do their business. The massive 17.3-inch screen allows for viewing of multiple different portfolios or wallets at once, giving the ability to have full visual control over all of your assets. It has a blazing fast 512 gigabyte NVMe drive, allowing for nearly instantaneous boot times and opening of files. The anti-glare screen and wide viewing angles also make it a very ideal laptop for using in places with natural sunlight, which is always good for your health. Number 4, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10. For investors that aren't running multiple intensive programs at once, they may want to focus on ease of carry and battery life more than anything else. This Lenovo ThinkPad is perfect in those areas, getting an astounding 15 hours of battery life and weighing less than 2.5 pounds. In order to accomplish this, it does sacrifice some graphics and processing power, but most trading software and portfolios aren't that intensive when running on their own. If you're someone that participates heavily in after-hours trading, or if you travel away from home a lot, this could be the perfect machine for you. Number 3, HP Spectre X360. When it comes to financial trading, not everybody wants to do all of their work from a laptop, but they also want the benefits of a laptop. The HP Spectre X360 allows the best of both worlds, as it's convertible into a tablet with a stylus built into it, allowing for an easy transition between the two. It doesn't sacrifice much for this capability either, with roughly 12 hours of battery life and a 2TB SSD for fast loading times and easy file opening. The integrated fingerprint reader also adds a level of security to your portfolio, so that only you can access your machine. Number 2, Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. If you're someone that's deep into the Apple atmosphere, well then this one's for you. The MacBook Pro 16-inch is a wonderful laptop for trading because of its excellent 3840 by 2160 resolution screen, as well as the incredible 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD storage. The inherent virus-resistant nature of Mac OS can't be underestimated either, as thousands of people lose large sums of their assets to viruses every year. These features, paired with the overall beauty of Apple laptops, leave this at a firm spot on this list. And number 1, Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is far and away one of the best laptops on the markets for traders at the moment, if only for the reason that it has another extra screen beneath the primary one. That extra space can be critical for financial traders because it allows them to either keep more of their portfolio open or keep live charts running in case of emergency updates. It's running on bleeding-edge hardware, utilizing an 11th generation Intel processor and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. This ensures that you will never experience any lag while executing your trades, and also allows for some gaming or recreation on the same machine. Financial trading can be daunting enough without worrying about the hardware you're executing it on. Having a stable laptop that'll be capable for years to come is incredibly important to make sure that you're the best trader that you can be, and are making as much money as you possibly can.